As can be seen, the pin that we are going to puncture the tube with is 1.27 millimeters in diameter. As the pin penetrates the tube, the Tyroseal will form a seal around the pin and prevent any leakage of air. A small amount of the Tyroseal will come out of the puncture wound, but it will seal the puncture wound and there is no loss of air in the process. Next, we will repeat the process with a 2 millimeter nail. Again, it can be clearly seen that Tyroseal forms a seal around the puncture wound and the nail. Even though the nail is removed in and out or wiggled within the actual tube, the integrity of the seal is maintained by Tyroseal and no air loss occurs. Next, we will demonstrate by using a carpet tack. The top of the tack is measured at 2.15 millimeters and the lower of the tack is measured at approximately 3 millimeters. It can also be seen that the tack has a very aggressive entry point with a cutting edge, so the tyre will not be pushed away from the cut but the tack as it enters it. No matter how aggressively we attack the tube with the tack, there is no air loss. Once the puncture wound has been formed by the tack, on removal of the tack, the Tyroseal maintains the integrity of the air seal and the solution prevents any loss of air as the tack is withdrawn from the tube. No matter how many times we puncture this tube with the various objects, the integrity of the air seal was maintained by Tyroseal. Tyroseal, 15-year track record of serving the industry with an amazing tyre protector solution, which proves to be one of the best in